Hello, my name is Griffin Warder. I have worked for many different bosses over the years. Each boss brought a different leadership style. We all know leaders that discourage us and limit our potential, but we can't easily identify the leaders that bring out the best in us. This leads me to the question, who is the best leader to follow? We all want leaders that create a productive workplace, leaders that we idolize, leaders that help cultivate our potential. Let me give you an example. Jim is a talkative and direct manager. He creates goals and rules that must be met. There is little to no movement when he has his mindset. He creates a drive in his employees that resembles the autocratic leadership style. Sarah is a quiet and organized leader. She spends most of her time gathering the opinions of her colleagues. She relies on group input when making decisions. Often she waits until a group consensus is met before making a decision. She is a democratic leader. Wesley is a humble and passionate leader. He believes that his employees come before himself. He starts his day by checking in with employees. He asks questions such as, "How can I help you? Are you finding anything difficult?" Wesley is a servant leader. Which leader seems the best? The answer can be somewhat unclear. Jim brings order to the workplace. Sarah brings fairness and trust. Wesley brings growth and development. For this reason, I believe Wesley is the best leader. Let's look at why. First, looking at autocratic leaders. Autocratic leaders have the final word. They tend to motivate and drive their employees using tactics such as enforcing rules and penalties. The autocratic leader creates the direction they want to see. These type of leadership styles are common in situations where control is important. Autocratic leaders bring clear direction and motivation. If applied right, this style can have the most positive impact on change. However, stress is a factor. Employees worry about avoiding possible punishment. Also, employee turnover rates can increase if employees feel demoralized. Autocratic leaders work best when employees have little experience and need special attention. It works effectively during a crisis situation because autocratic leaders bring clear vision and quick decision-making to the team. Now let's look at democratic leadership. Democratic leaders focus on the opinions of others. These leaders look to employees to make decisions for the company. These leaders offer advice to teams while also accepting feedback and ideas. The leader ultimately makes the final decision, but with the guidance of their team. Your opinion counts. Democratic leaders promote employee empowerment and engagement. When employees feel their voice matters, they actively take part in the company's direction. However, this can be a negative because no one person is showing directive on which way to go. Democratic leaders breed a decision-making environment. Employees feel that they can trust and respect their leader. This style also motivates employees because they provide input on decisions. This wealth of spreading and sharing ideas also sparks employee creativity. The next leadership style is servant leadership. These leaders respect the needs of their employees, help their employees develop skill and perform productively, and dedicate their time to stewardship. This means servant leaders find value in the growth of their employees. When servant leaders make employees the main priority over the organization, it has great effect on the employees. Employees tend to feel a trust and commitment and return that energy to the organization. Servant leaders empower employees. Employees become more engaged in the workplace. With servant leaders comes a suitable environment for employee growth and development. This environment influences employees to successfully achieve their work goals. Now let's review. Autocratic leaders are best utilized when you need control over the direction of your company. It is often seen in areas like the military. However, it has many drawbacks when not used properly. Democratic leaders are best utilized when you require creativity in decision-making. This style isn't suitable for quick decision-making or teams that lack qualifications and experience to make decisions. Ultimately, I believe that the servant leader is the most effective. They bring out the best in their employees. They provide growth and development. Employees that succeed and prosper with servant leaders will in turn positively affect the direction of their company. But which is best for you? Leadership styles vary from person to person. It's important to find a style that best fits you. How do you as an employee effectively grow? Do you need direction? Do you need cultivation? The best leader is one who can motivate and inspire employees. Thank you.